Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vikrant, and today in this video we are going to discuss about the English, that is verbal ability part of section A, which is which has equal weightage in CCAT exams with other topics just like quant and logical reasoning and computer fundamentals. So in this video I will be sharing my experience. I will be telling topics which I have prepared for this exam and a number of questions I encountered in the recent CCAT exams and how to start the subject. So basically, before starting the discussion, I will just like to tell you that this is just a personal opinion of mine. This can be vary person to person. Okay, so I will be sharing my experience. So according to that, you can take whatever you want from this video. Okay. So basically on 6th of July, I appeared for 6th CCAT exam. I was in morning slot. So from that, what I experienced and what are the important insights I will tell you. So before starting the studies of CCAT exams for English part of the section A, I just list down the to-do list. So these are the to-do list. I just studied these 11 topics. So again, I will remind you guys that this is my personal list. You can prepare your own list depending upon the depending upon the syllabus given in the official CDAC manual. So these are the topics what I prepared. Okay, so first thing I prepare synonyms. For synonyms, I preferred IndiaBig's website. You can prefer any other website according to you guys. Second is reading comprehension. So basically take any video from YouTube, just type reading comprehension passage MCQ. So YouTube will suggest you a very good videos. So what I encountered in reading comprehension was in the exam, they will give you the passage, and on that passage you have to answer like 3 questions, and the answer for these 3 questions is in between the lines. So the main important part of this reading comprehension is to know the how to read between the lines. Between the lines they have given the answer, and we have to tick mark the answer, tick the correct answer. And for synonyms, I encounter 3 questions. So basically they have given me like 3 questions to find the synonyms. They have given me 3 words, and we have to answer the synonyms for the 3 words. Okay, so for passage these are the 3 questions, and they will give a passage. Preparation, prepositions. So again, for preposition you can take any one of the video from YouTube and just solve the MCQs from that, and just get a fundamental idea or fundamental rules that follows the preposition, so that it is easy to solve the MCQs in exam. Okay. Spotting errors, same. You can go on YouTube and just solve the MCQs. Either you have to see the YouTube video in short to getting the fundamental rule for solving English grammar. So in this case you have to know the rules to solve the prepositions, and basically once you know the rule, you can take any website and you can practice MCQs on that. Okay, so for preposition there was one question I encountered in my CCAT exam. Okay, spotting errors, one question. Okay, then next is choosing appropriate filler with appropriate phrase or part of sentence. So in short, they wanted us to tick the correct phrase or some part of a sentence which fits correctly in the question. Okay, I did not encounter not even one question in the exam. Active passive voice, you need to know the rules. For active passive voice, I would suggest go for any video on YouTube. Just watch one video, get some fundamental rules, solve MCQs. That's the perfect strategy. Okay, and turn is same. Go on IndiaBigs and solve. I encountered like 3 questions. So basically, antonym synonyms holds a very good weightage in English. So I personally asking me, I have left the antonym synonyms question because I was unsure about it, and I have solved rest part of the section A very quietly, and it was like decent, not so hard, not so bad. Means not so easy, not so hard. Sentence completion, same like 5th one. Articles, you have to know the rules. Articles I encountered one question. So basically for articles, you just go on YouTube and know the rules. Rules are most important in articles. Idiom phrases, go on YouTube and see any one of the video book, because the main thing you get a challenge about idiom and phrases that you need to be very fluent in English and you need to know the English. So rather than marking wrong, just I left my question. Idiom phrases, I encountered one question. So rather than marking negative, rather than marking it and getting it wrong, and which results in negative marking, I left it so that it was not +1, not +3, not negative marking. Okay. Arrangement of sentence, very important. So basically it was like PQRS I wrote here. So they will give one PQRS. So it will be like this. Just let me rub it. Okay. So they will give PQRS. You have to arrange the sentence so that it makes a sense or it makes some order. So just go on YouTube, see one video and practice the MCQ. That's the sure shot. Okay. If you're not understanding something, go on YouTube and see one video. That's it. It can be of any exam. Just one video on YouTube and MCQ from any website. Again, here I just want to mention that it should be relevant to our exam, right? Okay, so what was my experience about preparing for section A? English was decent. As I said, I left synonyms and antonyms because I was unsure about it, and since there was negative marking, I just don't want to take a risk, so I left synonyms and antonyms. But I attended comprehension, which was sure shot, preposition, spotting errors, articles, arrangement of sentence, and there was not a single question about active passive voice. So articles one question and arrangement of sentence there was like 2 questions. So this was all about the English strategy what I followed, and I hope you can see that you can do. It's available on free resource. And personally asking what I have taken, so basically there is website called like CCAT preparation.com. Okay, this is not a sponsored video. It is not sponsored by CCAT preparation, but I personally enrolled on this website for section A and section B, and I practiced it. It is up to you. If you are ready to enroll it. If you want to study from free resource, you can study from free resource. But what I would suggest is you just you have to solve MCQs which is related to these topics, or you have to make your own list as given in your CDAC manual. So for CDAC August 2024 batch, which I have just done it. This was the list for my exam, which was held on 6th of July. So this is up to you now what you have to take from this video. And at last, I want to clearly mention you that this is just my personal opinion. Okay, I was just sharing my experience, and I hope you guys enjoyed a lot and you have learned something about the CCAT exams. तो यस, जाते जाते यही बोलूँगा मैं कि या तो एक चेकलिस्ट बनाओ, उसका एक वीडियो देखो, फंडामेंटल रूल्स समझो और MCQ सॉल्व करो. दैट्स इट. एंड about mock test and about how to practice the mock test and how to analyze it, I will tell in different video in the mock test video, which will be based on section A and B. And this was all about section A. Okay, thank you guys, and I hope you will like this video. Thank you.